Hello, I am Dr. Payal Khandelwal, founder of Ayurveda First, located in Siddhapura, Whitefield, Bangalore. We have been treating chronic and critical illnesses for past 15 years, PCOS and Ayurveda. PCOS is a systemic endocrine and metabolic disorder which affects many women of reproductive and non-reproductive age groups. So Ayurveda has a complete non-hormonal approach to this, depending upon in which age group the person belongs to and whether it is a lean PCOS or PCOS in an obese person, the treatment protocol is planned. Usually females of this condition go through a lot of issues like mood swings, stress, acne, unwanted growth of hair on the face, and irregular periods or heavy periods, and infertility. So we have to treat, sometimes if there is increased sugar levels, we have to treat that also, and accordingly the complete holistic approach needs to be planned, in which we use internal medications which are non-hormonal, but they are useful to balance the HPO axis in the female, improve the ovulation process, and also the endometrial receptivity. The entire hormonal balance which is needed is addressed through the Ayurvedic treatment protocols. Next is Shodhan treatments, which are actually used for regulating the hormonal cycles and for better ovarian response to the hormone. We use treatments like Basti, that is medicated enemas, and specialized treatments like Uttar Basti as and when needed, especially in infertility issues. So Uttar Basti is installation of medicines inside the uterine cavity. So this all approach helps in treating the entire PCOS conditions. We also help in management of the sugar levels and the skin and the hair issues in PCOS. Stress part is also taken well care of through Shirodhara and Nasya treatments. So this entire treatment protocol and lifestyle modifications, yogasanas are advised to improve the condition of the patient.